What if the wall between designers and developers just disappeared? For decades, building software has meant one frustrating handoff after another. Designers create something beautiful in one tool, developers try to recreate it in code somewhere else, and somewhere in between, the original idea gets lost. But a new partnership between Figma and OpenAI might be about to change that. Figma is now integrating OpenAI's AI coding tool called Codex directly into its platform. And the goal is simple but powerful. Let teams move seamlessly between design and code without breaking their workflow. Before we get into what this means, take a second to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on AI tools like Codex. Are they making developers more productive or just changing the way we build? Now here's what's happening. Figma has partnered with OpenAI to bring support for Codex, an AI-powered coding assistant that helps developers write and modify software using natural language. With this integration, users can start working inside Figma's design environment or directly inside Codex and move back and forth between the two. That connection is powered by something called Figma's MCP server, which stands for Model Context Protocol. It acts as the bridge between design files and code. In practical terms, this means developers can interact with designs while coding, and designers can see their ideas move closer to real implementation without needing to become full-time programmers. Previously, developers could bring information from Figma design files, Figma Make, or FigJam into Codex, so it could help implement those designs in code. But this new integration goes much further by creating a continuous workflow between the tools. Loredana Crisan, Figma's chief design officer, explained the thinking behind the move. She said the integration helps teams build on their best ideas, not just their first ideas, by combining the strengths of code with the creativity and collaboration that Figma's design canvas enables. That insight is actually the bigger story here. AI is starting to blur the traditional boundaries between roles. Designers are getting closer to implementation. Engineers are becoming more visual. And the rigid line between design and development is starting to fade. Alexander Mbirikos, who leads product for Codex, said the integration makes the tool more useful for a much wider range of builders and businesses. Instead of assuming someone is either a designer or an engineer, the tools now work for both. Engineers can iterate visually without leaving their coding flow, and designers can move closer to real working software without having to write production code themselves. To understand why this matters, it helps to look at how Codex itself has evolved. OpenAI first launched Codex as a command-line coding assistant last year to compete with Anthropic's Claude Code. Later, the company integrated Codex directly into ChatGPT, making it easier for developers to access. And earlier this month, OpenAI released a dedicated macOS app for Codex. The response was massive. That app was downloaded 1 million times in its first week alone. Soon after, OpenAI released 2 new Codex models, and the company says more than 1 million users are now using Codex every week. So this isn't a niche tool anymore. It's quickly becoming a core part of how software gets built. This partnership also builds on an existing relationship between the two companies. Figma has already been a major partner for OpenAI and was actually one of the first companies to launch an app inside ChatGPT back in October 2025. But there's another interesting twist here. Just a week before this announcement, Figma also partnered with Anthropic to integrate Claude Code. That means Figma is positioning itself as the central hub where multiple AI coding tools can connect to the design process. In other words, instead of AI replacing design tools are becoming the platform where AI development happens. And that's a pretty big shift. The future of building software may not be about designers handing off files to developers anymore. It might look more like a continuous loop where ideas move fluidly between design, code, and AI. If that happens, The companies that figure out how to combine creativity with AI-powered development will have a massive advantage. And partnerships like this one between Figma and OpenAI are probably just the beginning. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more AI and tech insights, and let me know in the comments how you think AI will change the way software gets built. And if you want to see another video about how AI is transforming the future of development, check out the related video popping up in the corner right now.